In this video, I'll show you a dark glam look, perfect for a night out. All the eyeshadows used are from the Sweet Peach palette from Too Faced. So I'm just gonna start with my primer, and I'm using Urban Decay's Brightening Tightening complexion potion, and this is gonna fill in my pores and make my skin smooth. Then I'm evening out my skin tone, and I'm using Natural Fix from Radiant Cosmetics, highlighting underneath my eyes and also my cheekbones and my brow bone using a concealer, and also on the nose bridge, the nasolabial folds, and on top of the cupid's bow, and I'm blending everything using my brush. Then I'm taking a matte highlighter and applying it on the cheekbones and underneath the eyes to set the concealer. And I'm using my Kat Von D Light and Shade palette. Then I'm contouring the cheekbones and also adding a little bit of darker just to give some extra dimension. Whatever's left on my brush, I'm just gonna apply it on my nose bridge. I'm taking a peachy blush and applying it to the apples of the cheeks, blending it towards the hairline. Brushing the eyebrows and then filling them in with an eyebrow gel from NYX, brushing out any excess product. Applying my eyeshadow primer to make my eyeshadows pop, and then I'm using a white shadow, applying it to the brow bone and the inner corner, and I'm using White Peach from my Sweet Peach palette. Then I'm taking a beige color and I'm using Peaches and Cream, applying it to the moving lid. A brown color with an orange undertone, and I'm applying it to the outer corner and blending it in the crease towards the nose. Then I'm taking this brownish purple and I'm applying it to the outer corner and blending it again towards the nose. Applying it to the lower lash line. Then I'm taking this dark purple and this peach. I'm using Detectable and Candied Peach, and I'm applying them on the middle of the eye just to get that smooth transition. Going back to my first color, which is Pitch Peaked, and I'm applying it to the outer corner just to give intensity, and applying a black pencil on the lower lash line and blending it out. Lining my eyes, and I'm using a gel liner from MAC Cosmetics in the color Black Track. And then also adding it on the waterline. I'm adding a gel liner in the waterline because that will last longer than a pencil. Applying my mascara, and I'm using Better Than Sex from Too Faced, which is my all-time favorite. I'm using the color Jinx from Lime Crime, and I'm applying it on my lips, filling them in. And then in the center, I'm going to apply the color Lulu, which is a nude color, and then I'm going to blend it with the help of a fluffy brush. Then I'm applying my bronzer. I'm using Chocolate Milk from Too Faced. Applying my falsies as always, because for me no look is complete without any falsies. And this is your final look. Thank you for watching.